Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a few videos, a series on restoring this canoe I got right here. Got it for free, so you can't beat that. But it's not the greatest shape, so we're going to reseal it, repaint it, put some numbers on it, and take it fishing. Wash the outside first. Also got a Lake Mohawk Country Club. Seen you guys from New Jersey. Pretty neat. The year's ripped off though, so I don't know. I guess I should do a little before and after. So just started cleaning. Already a noticeable difference. Right here to right there. And I haven't even rinsed it yet. So, just get back to it. Alright, see where we're at. I feel like that actually looks pretty good. And it's holding water. Well, that's good. Just need to do this one last part. trying to figure out what I'm gonna paint the interior. I hate this silver with a yellow line and the aqua blue. It's not really the thing I'm going for. Well, let's finish it and we'll talk. Okay, it all washed up. Hasn't dried yet, but as you can see, whole lot better. Definitely probably the first time it's washed. I'm gonna go with ever. Who washes a Canoe? Okay, so like I said, this is episode 1, but what I'm gonna do is the entire canoe. I'm gonna sand it down, get everything ready. I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna either go, haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking like a red on the outside and like a deck gray on the inside. That's just where I'm at now. I might go black, I don't know. I think it looked pretty sharp red and gray though. It's a flat back. I'm not even sure what brand it is, honestly. There's no plate on it that really shows that. There is a plate, but there's nothing on it. No key info. Actually, let's look at it again. Could be wrong. I know it's like right in there. Yeah, there it is. Let me look at that. Montgomery Ward, Chicago. Actually there is. It was just so covered up with grime before that I could tell it was actually it's stamped. It's not written or anything. It's just stamped, and it was just covered in grime. But yeah, I'll look at that. That's interesting. All right, again, I'm gonna sand it, paint it, and then I don't know if I'll keep it like this or add another seat. I don't know yet. I'm really I'm excited. It's March right now, almost April, almost spring, so I want this thing ready to go fishing. That's the plan with this. So yeah, we'll go from there.